In this video, we're uncovering the 7 powerful habits that can set you on the path to wealth. Building wealth doesn't happen overnight, but with the right habits, it's achievable. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking for ways to improve, these habits can transform your financial future. Let's dive in. Habit 1. Setting clear financial goals. First up, wealthy people always start with a plan. They don't leave their finances to chance. They set clear, actionable financial goals and map out a strategy. Here's how you can do it too. Start by defining what wealth means to you. Is it a certain savings amount, passive income, or a lifestyle? Then break down your goal into smaller, measurable milestones, like saving $500 a month or investing in stocks regularly. Habit 2. Paying yourself first. Pay yourself first. It's a rule that wealthy people live by. The idea is simple. Before paying bills or spending on luxuries, put a portion of your income into savings or investments. Treat this as a non-negotiable expense. This ensures that you're building wealth consistently. Even starting with a small percentage like 10% can make a difference over time. As your income grows, increase the amount you set aside. Habit 3. Continuous learning. Another habit of wealthy individuals is their commitment to continuous learning. They stay informed about trends, new investment opportunities, and personal finance tips. Take Warren Buffett, for instance. He spends hours reading daily. Books, online courses, podcasts, and articles can expand your financial knowledge and open doors to new wealth-building ideas. Dedicate at least 30 minutes a day to learning about personal finance. Habit 4. Budgeting and tracking expenses. Budgeting might not sound exciting, but it's essential. Wealthy people track every dollar. This isn't about restricting yourself. It's about understanding where your money goes. You'll find areas where you can save and invest more. Start by categorizing expenses like food, housing, and entertainment. Use budgeting apps like Mint or YNAB to simplify this process. A good rule of thumb is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and debt repayment. Habit 5. Investing early and often. Investing is one of the fastest paths to wealth. The wealthy know the power of compounding and begin investing as early as possible. Even with small amounts, investing regularly builds substantial wealth over time. Stocks, bonds, real estate, and even passive income streams like dividends are great places to start. The key is to diversify your portfolio and start early. If you're unsure, consider low-cost index funds or ETFs. They're often safer for beginners. Habit 6. Networking and building relationships. Networking is another essential habit for building wealth. Wealthy people build strong relationships with mentors, industry leaders, and other successful people. These connections can open doors to new opportunities, partnerships, or investment deals. Attend networking events, join industry groups, and build genuine relationships. Remember, networking is about giving as much as receiving. Look for ways to add value to others, and they'll want to help you succeed too. Habit 7. Practicing discipline and delayed gratification. Finally, wealth building requires discipline and delayed gratification. Wealthy individuals prioritize long-term goals over short-term pleasures. They avoid the keeping up with the Joneses mentality and focus on what truly matters to their financial future. Next time you're tempted by a big purchase, ask yourself, will this move me closer to my financial goals? Delaying gratification allows your money to grow through investments and savings, bringing greater rewards in the future. By incorporating these habits into your daily life, you're setting yourself up for financial success. Remember, wealth building is a marathon, not a sprint. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your wealth grow. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and let us know in the comments, which habit are you working on right now? Thanks for watching.